Parents often ask me, do you teach grammar? I used to find this question very confusing because of course we teach grammar. We teach English, and a big part of English is obviously grammar. However, now I understand what they were actually asking me is, can you teach my child to write accurately without making mistakes? And the answer to that question is also yes, but it will take some time. I think sometimes when we're talking about teaching and learning grammar, what we miss is that the most important part of it is knowing how and when to use the different grammar structures. For example, this is a WhatsApp message. It says, I'm having a great time in Kuala Lumpur, the food's lovely, the people are very friendly, I wish you were here. Very simple grammar there, just the present simple and the present continuous. However, this is a travel guide. If we look in here, we can see that the language is a bit more interesting. If we look at this, the streets are lined with grand old buildings, family homes acquired by the government after the war. That has more interesting grammar in it. If we look at this middle part, grand old buildings, family homes acquired by the government, we have two phrases there next to each other that describe each other. The family homes describes the grand old buildings, the grand old buildings describe the family homes. And that is quite a clever bit of grammar. We call that an appositional phrase. And if you can say appositional phrase to your English teacher, they will think that you're really clever. However, that bit of grammar is absolutely useless for WhatsApp messages. So this is the key part of using grammar, being able to choose the right grammar to create the right effect in the right situation. This is the difference between saying, I can speak English and I am an expert user of the language. I think everybody can be an expert user of the language. See you next time.